Hey guys, I just wanted to touch on some of the graphic organizers that we're going to start to be using. I've created an online version that you can type in. If you do want a paper version, I can get you that as well. You can print it off if you'd like, or if you want to in class, I can definitely have those printed off in here. But I did make a digital copy. We're going to be using these a lot with our different cross-cutting concepts and science and engineering practices. So the first one we're going to be using is for our seafloor spreading map. So if you click on this, it'll take you to a link, and then you'll just be able to type in here and submit it. So engaging an argument from evidence, if you wanted to type in that box, you just double click on it, and you can type in there. So you just double click and you can type, you can change, probably add another text box in there if you wanted to. But yeah, these are all text boxes, so you can type in them, or if you wanted to in class, you can write in them as well. These will all look different. This is one we're going to use for engaging argument from evidence, so it's kind of really just helps you put everything together, and it does a really good job of kind of laying everything out. So this is, one is where you put your question. Two is where you're going to put your evidence that supports your question, kind of gives your opinion. And then three is where you're going to make your claim, I think this, or I think that. So basically you're just making a claim about your opinion. And then you will be putting your evidence and reasoning together, your claim and evidence together with reasoning. So you're kind of just summing everything up. And then if you had any additional questions to research that you would thought of, you would put them down here. So it does a nice job of going in order. They all have numbers on them, I'm pretty sure. So they actually tells you kind of what order that you are going in. So we're going to be using these a lot. So when you're seeing this, know that you can click on them and type in them.